Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So this is another part of my series, my home makeover series. And so we are walking into my house right now. This is the tile that I had a love-hate relationship, more of a hate. I really didn't love this tile because it was hard to keep clean. However, I'm just walking through so you guys can see the floor, so you can see what it looks like before. I actually had the LVP flooring placed over every area of my house that had tile, okay, including my bedroom. I had laminate flooring. I picked those up and replaced them with the LVP flooring. So as you guys can see, this is a lot of space that we had to get done. So stay tuned so you guys can see this transformation. This is a makeover series, so this is just a short clip of different things that I had done throughout my home, okay? So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Please like if you enjoyed this video, subscribe if you'd like to see more, and leave me any comments of your suggestions, any tips, or anything that you would like for me to know, okay? The name of this flooring is Charleston Oak. I got it from Lowe's. Everything had to be ordered because I had a lot of area to cover in my home, but everything was pretty fast. I didn't have to wait too long for it to arrive into the store. So yeah, so I really like this flooring. It's waterproof. And that's the main reason why I got it, because I can put this flooring in my bathroom, in my kitchen, and not have to worry about any damages. So I'm just putting the details of the boxes in here for anyone who is interested. That information is here. So of course, with new flooring comes new paint. So I picked up this paint sample from Lowe's. It is the Sherwin paint colors, and I wanted to go, believe it or not, with the agreeable gray, and you'll see later on I quickly changed my mind. Okay, so as you can see in this clip here, they are leveling off the front entryway. The floor had some type of mosaic pattern design, and so they had to level everything out so that the floor can be smooth. And so this is what it looks like. It's still wet. It took at least 24 hours for everything to cure and set. This is the brand of the leveler that was used. So if you're interested, that's why I put this clip in here to give you that information as well. And so if you guys are worrying about putting LVP over existing tile, this is an outlet that I have on my floor, and I was worried about this area, and it was very smooth. So it wasn't too much of a difference. And so as you guys can see, the floor is still drying. It's not 100% dry yet. So this is the process. Okay, y'all. So this took me forever to decide on what I wanted to do. I wasn't sure if I wanted to get tile that goes, you know, from the floor all the way up to the ceiling. I didn't know if I wanted to, you know, that cutout where the TV is. I didn't know if I wanted to cover that up. So I was going back and forth on what I wanted to do, and I bought some tile from Lowe's, and I wanted to see whether or not I wanted to replace this tile with the new one that I bought. So I'm just looking at this area and trying to figure out exactly what I want to do, because it's so complicated. It is so complicated. Let me know in the comments what you would have done. Okay, so here is the tile information, and I'm going to play around with it and see exactly what pattern I want to go with, and just see what works and what doesn't work. So let's see what happens. Okay, so I wanted to insert this clip right here to show you guys what I purchased to keep my floors clean. It was recommended to use a Bona spray mop to be able to keep my floors clean, and so I picked this up at Lowe's or Home Depot. I can't remember where I got it from, and so I am just showing you guys a close-up of what I bought and to see if you guys are familiar with this brand, because this is really helpful in keeping your floors clean. Okay, so this is everything out of the box, and putting everything together was pretty simple. It wasn't complicated. One thing I did not know is that the actual solution container is refillable, so you can fill it up even after you use the solution. You can make your own solution and put it in there, or buy the refill and fill it up yourself. So that was one good thing that I really liked about it. I don't have to keep buying refills if I don't want to. I could just make my own solution and make that work. So these are the swatches of that color swatch that I showed you guys before. So the one on the far right is the Agreeable Gray, the middle is the Anew Gray, and then the last one is the False Creek Gray. So I was a fan of the Agreeable Gray, but it was too light. It was way too light. So, and then the False Creek, the one on the far left, it was too dark for me, so therefore I went with the Anew Gray, which is in the middle. So I would recommend you to buy your samples first, put them on your wall in different areas of your house to see exactly how it would look. And let me tell you, what it looked like on the swatch was not what it looked like on my walls. It was totally different. Even the Anew Gray, what I ended up choosing, the one right here in the middle, even though it looked like that on the wall, it did not look like that on the swatch. So highly recommend you guys to buy yourself some sample paint, put it on the wall, see exactly what you're working with. So this is the spackling that I bought to cover in the holes, because I am getting ready to paint this house up. Okay, the floors are done now and I'm getting ready to paint. So that is what I used. Wanted to show you the different areas of my house that had these holes in there, because I had some things hanging on the wall, like whiteboards and different things like that when I was homeschooling my kids. So I am going to be patching these babies up and smooth these things down with the sander and get ready to paint. So stay tuned for the rest of this series, and please like if you like this video, subscribe if you'd like to see more, and leave me any comments of your thoughts on what you've seen so far.